Hello all. Today we are going to discuss easy method to find out growth stocks. What is growth stocks? Growth stocks are basically highly potential to grow in like more than 20 percentage year on year. And there could be volatility in that, but the volatility is good for growth stocks. So to find out, I'm going to guide you with a simple query. Using that, you can find out the growth stocks, and further you can analyze which stocks to pick and proceed with that. So before that, just to inform, I'm not a SEBI-registered advisor. So if you want to invest or anything, please check your SEBI-registered advisors. And whatever stocks I'm going to show here, it's just for education purpose only. And this is Sundar, and you're watching Mindful Finance. A growth stock refers to shares of a company that are expected to grow at a significantly higher rate compared to other companies in the market or its industry. The primary characteristics of growth stocks are: first one is high growth rates. These companies typically exhibit high rates of revenue and earnings growth. So this can be due to innovations, new product launches, expanding markets, or effective business strategies that allow them to outpace the average growth of their competitors and overall market. The next one is reinvesting or earnings. So growth companies often reinvest most of all their profits back into the business to fuel further growth rather than paying dividends to the shareholders. So this reinvestment goes towards things like research and development, expanding the operations, increasing market reach, or acquiring other businesses. The next one is high valuations. Like growth stocks usually have high price to earning ratios and other valuation metrics. Investors are willing to pay a premium for these stocks in the expectation that future growth will justify the high valuations. The next one is market expectations. The price of growth stock is largely driven by market expectations of future earning growth. As such, they can be more volatile than the overall market. The next one is potential for high returns. Due to the rapid growth, these stocks offer the potential for substantial capital gains. Investors buy them in the hope that they will earn returns well above the market average as the company grows. Next one is a risk. Like growth stocks carry higher risk because, especially it's a volatile in nature, they're also more sensitive to changes in the market sentiment and economic conditions. Now let's get into the details about how are we going to calculate or write our script for finding the growth stocks. The first one is market capitalization. This conditions filters for companies with the market capitalization greater than 10,000 crores. So making sure the companies are like large cap so that we take less risk. So the second one is a profit growth, which is the condition seeks companies with profit growth exceeding 30%. So which are indicating strong year-over-year profitability improvement. High profit growth is often a sign of operational efficiency, market expansion, or effective cost management, so which can make these companies attractive and investment opportunities. And next one is a sales growth, similar to profit growth. So this filter targets companies whose sales have grown by more than 30%. So this is a sign of strong business demand and effective sales strategies, suggesting so this company is growing faster than its competitors or the overall market. The next one is return over the year, which is like this condition compares the company's profit growth to its stock return over the past year. So looking for companies which the growth in profit exceeds the return provided to shareholders. So this might indicate that companies' earnings improvements have not yet been fully reflected in stock price, possibly presenting a good investment opportunities. The next one is the PE ratio. So this looks for stocks where the price to earnings ratio is less than the average PE ratio of the industry. The PE ratio is normally the measure of the company's current share price relative to its per share earnings. A PE lower than the industry average suggests that the company might be undervalued compared to its peers, so potentially making it a more attractive buy in terms of earning potential. So now let's see what is the script. So this is the script, so you can copy it or I'll share the link so you can use the same in your query. So it will be easy for you to run the query. So let's get into the screener now. So when screener is the site where you can find all the stocks and you can do the fundamental analysis. So if you go and search for screens, so here's the screens, and you can go and browse for the screener, or I'll share this link in the description. So this is the growth stock Sundar. So you go here, the query is already there. So these are the query which I mentioned, like market capitalization greater than 10,000 crores, profit growth is 30%, and sales growth is greater than 30%, and profit growth is greater than return over 1 year, and the PE is less than industry PE, right? So using this, if you run the script, you get the list of stocks over here. So these are the stocks which like 8 stocks are there, like consider currently growth stocks, but they are trading at an undervalued stage. You don't need to do any calculation. This particular you can see that PE, which is price to earning, is less than industry PE, right? So this gives a clear picture that it is trading lesser than the median, than average PE. So that way, so you can clearly see that if you run the script, you got this list of stocks now. You can explore one by one or whichever way you want. So what I would suggest is, like, click on the market cap, sort by market cap. Okay, so based on that, Interglobe Aviation, this is Indigo. What is happening, you can see it is currently like trading at the price of 4,000 rupees, but it is actually in an all-time high, but still it is showing us as a trading at a less price. Why so? If you go and see the, see, sales is keep on growing, but based on this sales volume, the profit, see the profit 2,000 here, 5,000. So based on the profit, it is, the rate seems to be not, so rate seems to be not matching its revenue. So that is what it says. Okay, now let's see another stock, Bajaj Holdings. Bajaj Holding also same. The PE is now lesser than the median PE. Price wise, again it has reduced. Let's see in the last 6 months. Yeah, so it has corrected almost from 9,000 to 8,500. Almost like 500 points it is corrected. So earlier it was around 8,000. It was corrected till 8,000, like 1,000 point it reduced, and now it's still again it's going back. So you can keep this in your bucket list and you can track it. See the sales growth, it is tremendous. So till, see, last year it seems to be less growth, sales has been reduced, but see the March 2024, it is almost, wow, what is this? There is nowhere relevant why it is so. Let's say year on year sales growth is increasing. Suddenly it became 1,298 percentage. Why? Operating profit has increased from 67%, it has increased to 97 percentage, and other income is reduced. So somewhere they got some kind of a more. So their operating margin has increased. Not sure why. So this is, see, this is a holding company, so they are holding all the Bajaj related stocks. Okay, but somewhat you can, so based on our earlier videos wherever I have mentioned about how to do the study, so please go ahead and do this. It's good. Like book value is 4,000, just two times. See the book value 1.73, it's a good price. So similarly, you can check Biocon, how it is now. Check the PE. Oh wow, look at the PE is keep on reducing. What is the price? It has corrected a lot and it is consolidating here. So just check this one. Okay, keep a tab. So likewise, you can go ahead and use this screener, and using this query, you can easily find out the growth stock. Hope you understood what is growth stock and how to find the growth stocks method to find out the growth stocks, and what are the things you have to consider. And the query also very simple, so I'll provide in the description so that you can copy and paste, or you can search, or I'll share the query in the link. If you like this video, please do like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends and your family and colleagues. Share your comments, what you feel about this video. That will encourage me to make more videos and motivate me to make similar videos. Thank you.